Welcome to the best branch at the city, Hilton Garden in Trivandrum. Myself Sogata, I'm the food and beverage manager. So I will take you through the buffet. My executive chef will assist you to find out the best food what is must try.
Hi, myself Chef Asmik. I'm the executive chef for Hilton Garden in Trivandrum. Today we have the Sunday brunch. I will take you through the entire buffet. We will start with your salad. We have the embellishment of the salads over here. The one side we have the non-vegetarian and the other side is the vegetarian. We have that specially made for the sushis and everything. It's two cold cuts over here. It's your chicken ham and the chicken salami. I have the both the things, and I have the pineapple cherry prawn skewers. You must try this one. This especially poached with your wines and everything will be a must try one. And we have the fish dumpling with your potato blini, and we have your salmon cream cheese roulade and your chicken slabs over here. This is our special one, ebi tempura sushi today. We have the ebi tempura uramaki. This is your Japanese dish. You have the recommendation for that your soya, pickled ginger and the wasabi over here. And here you have the tenderloin tartar. It's basically people they don't try with any individual with the tenderloin. We have tried something with individual as well. And you have the potato cheese with quinoa crackers, and you have the tomato gazpacho. That's your school soup. These two are the like liquid salad. And for the vegetarian lovers, we have the asparagus sushi. And as you can see that the normal way of presenting your Greek salad and it's different. We have given your compressed cucumber on the bed. We have given some basil oil in it. The roasted pumpkin salad. These are the must try, and you have the tomato parfait. This is your today's must try vegetarian dish. This one and your asparagus sushi. For the main course, we have segregated the cuisine wise. Like yours, we have the South Indian over here, and the North Indian over there. Then you have the Western and this your Asian. Today, I have given you a mean manga curry, local tradition with you, and we have the pork pepper fry, like your normal cabbage toran over here, and some of your kutti vangaya kura, that is your Andhra dish, the pan fried yours aubergine. And we have the snake heart pulisheri. For the vegetarian from your northern side, have the bindi amchuri. This is typical like Jaipuri dish, which will be awesome. You should try this one. We have the Barwan Aloo Makkan Wala. That's basically the stuffed aloo with your cheese and everything. You can try them. Paneer kofta curry, we have that. But the gravy I given is with your saag wala. Will be much healthier. Now we require more healthier side, so I have given something in very healthier side as well. Methi murk, it's like fenugreek leaf with your crusted and we have placed on top. And today, my favorite, mutton, Hyderabadi mutton dum biryani. Sauce is like we marinated for overnight, then only we cook this. So the flavor and that yours juiciness, everything will be there in the meat. You should try this our biryani and give us a feedback as well. Sunday brunch without your carving, it's no. We have the good carving over here today. The freshly catched yours red snapper with oven roast with your herbs and everything. You should try this one. We have the carving station. You can come closer and you can have a view of it. Many burgers, many sandwiches only we are doing it for the kids and everybody. If you like to have yours, we have the chicken option, we have yours beef, and we have yours fried chicken and your fried veg patty. You can see that. So what you are making? Tenderloin patty. It's not the typical burger way we are going. We are going similar way of your sliders. It's miniature of your burgers. It will be good to have the small bites. We have the entire buffet. You should try everything. If I give the full portion, it doesn't fulfill you. For South Indian, we have the nool koti. Instead of giving the kottu paratha, everywhere you tried and only the kottu paratha and everything. So we thought of giving something with your idiyappam. So we called it as a nool kottu. The other option of your nool kottu vegetarian option, we have the chicken, we have that, and the seafood we have. For the soup, we have the two different way of soup. Roasted tomato with basil soup, and we have the laksa bar. Laksa bar, I have the condiments and everything. It's made out of your coconut broth and everything. And for the spiciness and your taste bud, you can add whatever you want. I've given an option of everything, and the bread display for your soup. I kept some of yours. Today we have the 4 starters. One is your Kerala style fish fry, and you have the lal mirch ka mortika, and you have the Calcutta style vegetable cutlet. We have the chili paneer. These 4 starters for today. It's like to start with some starter so that you can spend your time more with us. Now here we go. We have westernized, fully westernized now. We have the Caribbean charred spice roasted chicken, and you have the herb roasted tenderloin roulade, and you have the deluxe feta stuffed beet crabs. This is again, it's a unique one. The beet crabs with your feta cheese and everything will be yummy. And I have the zucchini latke with walnut, and we have the imam peladi, which is yours again one of the best dish over in Mediterranean. Here we have our open air grill section where you can have all your seafoods and everything. I have displayed some of our seafoods. We have the prawn, crab, curry mein, and black pomfret, isla we have your white snappers and everything. There's something is cooking also. What's that? There is some shrimp and squid is getting cooked, and you can get your grills done over here, and you can have your grills and everything in our open areas where we sit and have. This is our best part of our Sunday brunch, and we can say that our dessert spread is best in Toronto City. We have some of our signature dishes like I have the hazelnut milk chocolate popsicle, and I have yours peri petit gâteau, and we have some of your milk chocolate crunchy with yours ivory whipped cream, and we have some delicious macarons and everything. Macarons basically people they do it in the only one way. We keep it in the tar kind of thing. And here we have some live counters like yours jalebi. This is our dessert parts, and now we have some of your Indian dessert as well. You can see the fruit rabri and your skova apple. You can see that's final product. It looks like a real apple, and we have the dry fruit sandwich and some of your malai chamcham. We have the 2 hot dessert. It's your Somali, it's Arabian dessert, and you have your Kajar Kalwa today. These 2 are the hot dessert. And not only in this one, we have many more dishes which I didn't show properly. But in your palate, if you like something, please let us know. We are ready to do it, whatever you would like to have. Our buffet is huge, and we want to fulfill all your taste buds. In a minute, we will make it.
Hope you and your family has enjoyed the brunch.
Yeah, obviously it was a wonderful experience to me and my family. This is the second time I'm coming here.
Thank you so much for coming every time, and So how do you rate our brunch?
Like first of all, I need to tell you that there is a lot many things for which kids like that specific food related to kids and other things are there, and wide variety of foods are there. And even this is the first time I am enjoying Thai food.
Thank you very much for that. So if I ask you that out of this all food or everything like ambience or everything, what one thing you would like to specify that people should come here and enjoy their Sunday afternoon?
First and foremost, I should tell that hospitality of your people. And the second thing, obviously, the food part. The food part, actually, lot of wide varieties of food is here. And right now, as I said just before, like I would like to try new dishes across the globe. So this is the first time I have already experienced like Japanese food and other things. This is the first time I am experiencing Thai food, and that too seafood Thai variety food. It was awesome, and like I have no words to tell about that.
Thank you so much. Thank you so much for being here. We would like to meet again and again.
Yeah, for
Thank
sure.
you.